Last contestant of The Price is Right. Come on down.
Come on down. Oh, sorry.
Damn it. Cab dog.
Cab dog.
It looks like we're fishing for cans. Dylan, what do you got to say for yourself? Dylan, you son of a bitch.
Wilson.
Way to go, Wilson.
Wilson.
Wilson! We're out here looking for the Moby Dick of cans, y'all.
Oh. Yeah.
Pirates, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, get that pirate's booty. That's another.
What's that?
Driver.
We all float down here.
It's already cold though. Already there.
Wow. Going for it.
Yay, we did it.
We did it.
And we're off.
Butts are in the river.
Hold on to your butts.
Hold on.
My phone wants me to pair with Kev Dog.
Kev dog. Kev dog.
No, Kev dog.
Kev Dog.
Do it.
Kev dog.
Kev Dog.
They probably don't even know what they're like.
Like, why is somebody yelling?
6 weeks later, they look at their like their Bluetooth name, like, oh, Kev dog, yeah. That's fair. That's fair. That's fair. That's fair. Don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh. Yeah, yeah.
All right.
We gotta wait.
Oh.
Anybody had any bug issues?
Nope.
Anybody got any garbage for me?
Nope.
Good.
I'm not a garbage person today.
You're gonna go back to the camp and take a nap.
You're gonna get sunburnt by the fire again.
Right? Bullshit.
You're protected now.
Am I?
That too, I think.
She's warmer inside.
She's warm.
Cold inside.
Black heart for life.
Yeah.
Just the mother, the way the eyes are there.
Oh, look at him go. They're like running underwater.
Oh, hello.
Whoa, what up, honky?
Oh.
What up, honkies?
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. How much for a taco?
Oh, do you have tacos for real?
Taco for sale?
Oh, congratulations!
Yay!
Danger.
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 What campground is that?
River Campground.
Oh, you mean where my hat came from?
I think
Yeah.
we're good.
No, that's Outdoor Adventure.
Oh.
That's a third one.
Oh. No one knows.
Right next to us.
That's the one you found in the river last year, right?
Yeah.
I wasn't with you guys. You guys found it for me.
Yeah, we found it. Me
And took it home to him and we were like, hi, you'd like tubing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You gotta make it into your raft.
All the way up to the tree and get a running start, dude. Get a running start.
Oh Lord.
Yeah.
full sector.
Yeah, we're gonna pass where he's swinging.
Right on top of you guys, eh? Go back.
Right into your raft.
Right into your tube.
All right, Brendan. It's right here. We'll hold it for you.
Send it, brother. Send it. All right. Go.
Higher.
Oh, we don't mean to run you over.
You just can't stop.
I mean, that might not prevent it, but at least you're going out with Thelma and Louise.
Gonna jump a fucking mountain right now, Jesus. Yeah! Wow, 4 miles an hour. Yeah. Run!
Water, it sounds worse. Yeah, I feel. Oh.
These people all become one big group. Right, we still have it. Oh yeah! Ah! Not worth it, Rebecca. Oh my! Stay in your tube.
Uh-oh, there's a full yellow.
Now I'm dead.
Way to use your head, Lar.
Yep.
I spilled more beer than... Party foul, Rob.
Pedal.
Danger. Danger.
Yeah.
We can't do all the things.
Get it, Dave.
It's
We
so
can. Oh, man. I got wet with his ball.
No! No!
Kyle, that was your headbutt. You're the worst.
I've got a GoPro in my hand. I can't get to it. Shit. Hey, I paid a good hard $1 for that. Don't pop it. All right, it's safe for now. Whew. That was scary.
Ball safe.
Way to go, Wilson.
Wilson.
Wilson!
I'm ready for one. Give me two. Ready?
Utah, give me 2.
Onions are down.
Give me 2. Oh no!
Oh my gosh. They're starting to liquefy. I got my 2.
For the next contestant of The Price is Right, come on down!
Come on down! Oh, sorry. Oh my god, he's gonna choke out.
We're holding on to it.
I made it.
You got abs? Oh my god.
Alright, you're cut off.
He's not making it to
Try it. He's really after it.
There's no way he's making it to 30. 30 Jello shots is not happening.
That's what I meant. The age of 30, yes, Dylan will make it. 30 Jello shots, not today.
Dylan, what do you got to say for yourself?
I made it! Oh shit.
What the fuck? Dude, it looks like we're fishing for cans.
Like, we're gonna make that $2, guys.
We're out here looking for the Moby Dick of cans, y'all. Ha ha, ha ha, ha ha.
over, sweetheart. I am. Yeah, I'm sorry. We're not gonna hit you.
It's pretty cool. You're like climbing a tree and swimming at the same time. Yeah. Oh no! Start over from the save point, Donkey Kong.
I'm just walking here.
Hey, I'm walking here.
I'm just walking. It's shallow. We're gonna float this one out. Guide as needed. Kick his ass! He's going down back on his back.
Oh, you better go head first.
Yeah, either break your tailbone or break your neck. One or the other. Pick your tailbone.
I'm only saving
You don't
one.
really need that anyway.
You don't, but it hurts like hell.
Keep going.
Keep going so we can't see you.
Alright. Come on!
Oh, he stopped.
What the fuck?
Redo! Oh, Dylan!
Go. Go back to the top.
Yay!
That was a practice.
1 out of 10.
Go, Dan!
There you go, Dylan.
There you go. You said yes, at least where you have to go.
Yeah, Dylan!
Hey, you didn't shoot. Good job. Not yet. Yeah, Kyle. Give him a second.
Dylan, you son of a bitch. We all float down here.